What's Gucci, people? It's your boy, Chef Boy Easy. I'm about to show you how to make the best pancake in the world. I got my kids crying in the back too, you know what I'm saying? It's all Gucci. So today, I got your Aunt Jemima, black lady on the front, pancake. So just like that. You got a good picture, baby?
Yeah.
So I put my pancake in there. Let it sizzle until the bubbles come to the top. And try to get a little closer. All right. You see good, baby?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, it's still white.
Yeah, it's still white.
Because the bubbles.
So you let the bubbles get like that. Kind of move it around. I use a grease base. All right, she coming, baby. Use vegetable oil. I take it and pour it around the sides, like that. Around the sides of the pancake. And I just kind of like let it go into motion, the way it go all the way around the pancake. Take your ends and you pull them just like this. Pull your ends. Just push them just like that. Wait till we flip this thing though, you hear me? It's gonna be the best pancake you've seen. We make the best pancakes in Texas. She coming. Let my baby record me 1 second. As you see, this is what the pancake look like. All the air bubbles right there. Get parents for me, man. All the bubbles like that. Just put it back and wait for a little second. Just gotta wait.
We're doing like the pancake.
Oh, baby?
Yeah.
Hearing? All right, so now we're gonna be flipping it now. I'm gonna show y'all. You done it now? Even Denny's called my phone. They trying to get me to make pancake. Hold it, turn it. Boom!
Whoa.
Take you some grease, put it around the sides.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Oh, thank you, baby. I know.
I know it looks like a pancake.
All right, this is what the pancake look like right now. Oh, man, you ain't gonna get no better than that. All right, hold it back up, baby.
Okay.
She coming. Where's your food, baby? Daddy gonna get you right back. So we got the pancake. As you see the color of it now. I'm gonna do a one flip, and then that's gonna be a potato. So you gotta make, before you flip your pancakes, you make sure you ain't got no grease in there, because if you flip it, the grease will fly. But as you see, this is what it look like right now. I told my wife that look like one of the pancakes when you go to Alabama beside country road pancakes. And to flip it, kind of move it in your pan.
Whoa, that's amazing.
It's amazing, huh? And to flip it like that. And that's how you get your better than Denny's pancake.
Well, that is amazing cool. Like, that's